In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can format your text right here in Google Slides. So formatting your text is one of the ways you can catch your audience attention. If your text is just plain and boring, people might not even want to look at it. So here are 3 ways where you can format your text for your presentations. The first way you can format your text would be to add drop shadows. Now, one of the basic things that you can do in formatting your text would be to put it in bold, resize it, change the font style, have it underlined, and change the text color. But one of the things that you might not know is that you can add a drop shadow to your text. Here's how you can do it. First, let me show you some simple formatting. So once you've selected the text that you want to format, you can either put it in bold, change the text color like so, increase the size, and even change the font style. Now there are so many fonts that you can choose from, and if there's one that you can't see on your choices, you can always go to more fonts right here. So let me select this one, put it in bold, there you have it. Now again, going back to our drop shadow, to add that, select the same text. Go to more options right here. Once you click on that, one of your options would be your drop shadow. So if we click on this one, you'll see right away that it has added a drop shadow with these settings right here. And of course, you can always tweak on how you want that drop shadow to look like. If I go for 100 for the opacity, it will go dark like so. Next one, you can change the angle, put in some distance so you can really see that shadow. And if you don't want that shadow blurred, you can have this at 0. And that is what it's going to look like. So depending on your preference, you can always tweak on these settings right here. So that's one of the ways that you can format your text using your drop shadow. Next one would be our word art right here. So another form of our text in our slides that we can use would be our word art. You can format this by using gradient colors for the fill color. So if I select this one and go to the fill color right here, you'll see next to our solid colors will be our gradient colors. So here we can easily create or select the gradient colors that we want applied for our word art. If I select this one right here, that is what it's going to look like. Let's go back and select another one, maybe this one, and there you go. For the border color, you can also format that in a different way. You can select a different color, of course. Let's choose a black one. Then change the border weight and the border dash. There you have it. So many ways you can format your word art, and these are just one of them. And lastly, one of the simplest but most effective way you can format your text so that they can stand out during your presentation is to just add a highlight. And if you just want to highlight a word or a bunch of words within your text box, you can definitely do that by just again selecting that text box, selecting that text, then go to highlight color right here next to your font color or text color. So if you click on that, we can now simply select the color that we want to highlight that text, which will be in the background of that text. So if I select this one, there you have it. And to make it more effective, I can choose a contrasting color for the text itself. Let's say white. And there you have it. So 1, 2, 3. 3 formatting tips that you can definitely do to your text for your presentations here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.